fall from her eyes every night. Lonely tears hidden from the moonlight. She carried the pain that I left at her door, but she's not crying anymore. I thought she'd be waiting, broken and torn, living in shadow since the day I was gone. But she found her strength on a distant shore, and she's not crying anymore. She's not crying anymore. No, no, no. The hurt I gave her don't hold her soul. She's dancing in the sunshine where the cold wind blew before. She's not crying anymore. She's not crying anymore, my friend. Her broken heart has learned to mend. The woman I once knew has closed that door. She's not crying anymore. I see her smile where the sadness used to stay. Jah guided her through the darkest days. The chains of my mistakes she don't wear no more. She's not crying anymore. Now I'm the one staring at the stars above, wondering why I threw away her love. The tears I never shed are pouring from my core, while she's not crying anymore. She's not crying anymore. No, no, no. The hurt I gave her don't hold her soul. She's dancing in the sunshine where the cold wind blew before. She's not crying anymore. Time is a healer, that's what they say. But time can't bring back yesterday. She rose like a lioness, strong and pure, and she's not crying anymore. She's not crying